All right, so we're gonna leave it here on the fire, on the low flame, and let it just suck in all that seasoning what I just put into the oil. Let me check out over here. Let me check on my macaroni. Because I don't want my macaroni to overboil. I don't want it to overcook because this is salad. So I don't want it to overcook. It need 1 more minute. Just 1 more minute, and then I'm going to turn the stove off. Just 1 more minute for my macaroni. So my macaroni and my mixed vegetable, it can just cook because you don't need more than 5